This video I am going to discuss about networking. Welcome to SADX. Today we are going to discuss multiple choice based on networking. Let's start. First question. What is the full form of IP? Internet protocol, internal path or interconnect point? Can you know the answer? The right answer is number A, Internet protocol. Which device connects network together? Switch, router or modem? The correct answer is number B, router. What does LAN stand for? Local area network, large access node, linked area network. Right answer is local area network. Which one is a wireless networking technology? Ethernet, Wi-Fi or USB? It's very simple. It should Wi-Fi. What does URL stand for? Universal Record Locator, Uniform Resource Locator, Unified Routing Link. Correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. What is the purpose of firewall? Protect from unauthorized access, connect devices, boost signal. Very simple. Correct answer is protect from unauthorized access. Which device is used to amplify signals in a network? Hub, switch or repeater? Look, be careful. Hub and switch are almost similar type, but once we want to amplify, it should a repeater. Okay, so correct answer is a repeater. Which protocol is used to send emails? FTP, HTTP, SMTP. So correct answer is SMTP. Which of the following uses packet switching? Telephone network, internet, radio? Correct answer is internet. What does or what is the default port number for HTTP? 21, 80, 110. The answer is 80. What does DNS stand for? Domain name system, data network service, digital network source? So this is very common. It should domain name system. What is the function of a switch? Assign IP addresses, store website, connect device in LAN. So the correct answer is connect devices in LAN. Which of the following is a network topology? Tree, bush, web? Answer is tree. What types of IP address is 192.168.1.1? Public, static, private? Answer is private. Which layer of OSI model does routing? Data link, network, application? The answer is network. What does SMTP stand for? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, Standard Mail Transport Protocol, Secure Message Transfer Protocol? So correct answer is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. What does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Host Transfer Text Protocol, High Transmission Text Protocol? Answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What does OSI stand for? Open Systems Interconnection, Online Service Integration, Operating Software Interface? The correct answer is Open System Interconnection. How many layers are in the OSI model? 5, 7, 9. Correct answer is 7. What does FTP stand for? file transfer protocol, file transmission program, fast transport protocol. Correct answer is file transfer protocol. What does ISP stand for? International service provider, internet service provider, internal signal provider. Answer is internet service provider. Thank you very much. This video I am trying to discuss about networking. Very short question answer, but very important for basic knowledge or going to deep knowledge. You should learn this kinds of thing. Please subscribe my channel SADX. You will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.